Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we'll be diving into something really interesting, which is the Anthropic brand new Claude Sonnet 4.5. This model has been trending crazy and people are saying it might just rival the GPT-5 in reasoning, speed and creativity. But today we are going to be checking how we can use it with n8n. In this video, I will also show you how Claude Sonnet handle the task work. Also, we'll be comparing it with other AI model. I'll be using it our AI agent in anything. So let's get into it. The Cloud Sonnet 4.1 is the best coding model right now. So far, if you have been using Cloud before, you know that when it comes to coding, it's very good. Like I've used it myself to build simple website and it delivers a lot. So right now, the 4.5 is said to be the best coding model in the world. It's the strongest model for building complex agents and it's the best model at using computer. This new AI was released on September 29th of the month. So let's go to what is Claude Sonnet 4.1. Is a family of the AI language developed by Anthropic. So the parent company for Cloud is Anthropic. They are the one that released all the model that we have using so far. So the Sonnet 4.5 is the latest of Cloud and its aim, like the focus for this agent is actually on improving coding, autonomous agent and handling non-complex tasks. So if you are doing complex tasks with your AI agent or you are doing some coding that require complex tasks, this model is actually for you and you are really going to enjoy this Cloud Sonnet 4.5. Or like I said before, it's said to be the best code model in the world and the strongest building complex agent and computer with capabilities. I don't think I doubt that actually because I've used it and it's very good. So the main focus is on coding, though other aspect also is performing very well. Um, the key feature for this, key features and the improvements compared to the other model is the coding and development tasks, agent capability and autonomy. So it can work independently for extended period or multiple step tasks rather than needing constant human intervention. And I think this is actually a very great development with the cloud agent. Also, memory and context management. So there has been an improvement on the memory and context management. Now it can handle memory better than before. Then safety and alignment. The model also incorporates safety measure, reduces undesirable behavior like deception or flattery. So when you ask the model question, it does not add flattery or deception into the answer. Also, let's compare with GPT-5. So, like I said in this video, we'll be showing you which one is better in which aspect. When it comes to coding and agentic work, you can see that the cloud is actually very better. Though even though GPT is also good, but it lags in sustain multiple step engineering tasks. When it comes to longevity and session length also, this agent is actually this cloud program is designed for that. It's designed for complex agents. While the GPT may require more getting or shorter session. When it comes to reasoning and mathematics, GPT actually beats this Cloud 4.5, Cloud Sonnet 4.5, even though it's also strong, but GPT is stronger. Also, when it comes to cost efficiency, the Cloud Sonnet is is economical for mid to high level tasks, while the GPT may be more efficient in general usage. When it comes to general usage, GPT-5 is more efficient. So the flexibility and creativity also is actually very capable but more specialized, while the GPT is actually better. It's stronger for creativity, open-minded, and multiple domain tasks. Safety and alignment also, newer version include better alignment and safety mechanism. Yeah, OpenAI invest heavily in alignment as well also. So the two are to me, the two are very good depending on the task you are doing. You can either use the Claude Sonnet 4.5 or GPT 4.5 depending on what you are doing. So the two they are capable of doing the task. Yeah, when to use one versus the other. So when it comes to coding autonomous building agents, I would recommend you to use Claude Sonnet 4.5, or you are doing a long multi-step workflow that need consistency. Or why the GPT-5 can be used for more flexibility when it comes to reasoning, cross-domain exploration, creative ideation, and task development for emergent behavior. For many reward application, a hybrid approach actually. So depending on what you are doing, just stick to what is best for you. Make sure the AI agent is giving you what you want, then you can just stick to it. Yeah. So now we are going to compare um, different AI agents in software engineering. So when it comes to software engineering, you can see the accuracy. You can see the Sonnet 4.5 has the highest accuracy, followed by the Opus and the others. So this Sonnet 4.5 is actually a very good release by the Anthropic. So the model also show improvement currently in a broad range of evaluation, including reasoning and math. So in reasoning and math also, Claude Sonnet 4.5 is actually very good. Agentic coding, very good. Agentic terminal coding, agentic tool use, computer use, high school math and competition, like, is actually very good. When it comes to finance also, this sonnet is good also. And we can see the accuracy rate, the win rate. So it's actually very good. Same thing for law also. Sonnet is actually very good. To see more on this sonnet for 4.5, you can check the Anthropic documentation on this new model. Also, we'd like you to subscribe and like our videos. We really appreciate you guys. You guys have been with us so far, but I would like you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So let's continue. When it comes to medicine also, you can see the Sonnet 4.5 is actually leading also. So this is actually a very good release. Same with STEM also. Then now we are going to be testing this Claude Sonnet 4.5 in our AI agent to see the outcome and what we get. So let's get to it. Yeah, now let's test our Claude Sonnet 4.5. Let me connect my Anthropic here, Anthropic chat model. So after connecting my Anthropic chat, you select 4.5, Claude Sonnet 4.5. Or if you have not connected your Anthropic with your n8n before, you can just click here. You see all this, you will find your API key. So you just log into your Cloud Console account. Then you come to this API key, then you click on generate key. So you can just type in your name, your key name, as you generate an API key for you. Then let's close it. Let's open chat. Let me just type hello. You see, I get an error. So this is the problem with this model. So to use Anthropic, you need to use the open router model. Let's add our open router model. Open router chat model is actually a combination of all chat model like Cloud, ChatGPT, Opus and others, Gemini. Then you come here, you look for Cloud. Can you see Anthropic Claude Sonnet 4.5? To connect your open router chat model, so just click here. Then you go to your open router dashboard. You click on API key. You click on create API key. It's something that is very simple. So now let's save this back. Now let's open chat again. Hello. Can you see now we get the response? Hello, how can I help you today? So that's it. I'm leaving without saving. So now let's test our Claude Sonnet with our previous automation. So I use OpenAI here, so I'm going to remove this OpenAI and I'm going to be connecting Anthropic, but I'm using open router for it. For my open router, I look for my Cloud Sonnet 4.5. Yeah, so go back now. Yeah, I'm going to send you an email to this. I'm going to send an email from my phone. I'll do that now. Because this automation is not on actually, I have to trigger it myself. So I'm going to send an email. So I just send the email. Now let's fetch test event. Not this. Let's fetch test event. Yeah, this is the email I sent to the account. So now let's execute this node. So this is the email. Yeah, after executing this node, you can see this is the output. Actually, the question I asked is not part of the FAQ, so that's why we are having some weddings before the real answer. You can see how much does a typical plumbing repair cost. However, how does your plumber service work? It's not directly covered in the FAQ. So the FAQ we provided here does not cover that. That's covered in the FAQ. Since the pricing suggestion is covered, but how does the service work is not fully addressed in the FAQ. Here's my response. So the response, the body of the email will be from here to here, and which I think is actually very alright. So what is saying regarding pricing, cost depend on the issue, but minor repair usually start at. And you see, we not put a price range. That we just put the price range here, but we not put a price range in our system message here. So for details, information about how our plumbing service work. Okay, it's saying we provide upfront estimate before work begin. For details, information about how our plumbing service work. I don't have that specific information. Please contact our support team for further assistance. Yes, I think this response is actually good. Is there anything else I can help you with? Or would you like to schedule an appointment? And I think this is actually quite alright. The response is actually quite alright. So let's go back. Let's test it with another automation. I don't want to save. Yeah. So let's test with our job. Yeah, this AI agent, I've done this video before. It's a job seeking AI agent. It gets you jobs and help you with application. It generates it do a job for you. If you are a software engineer, you are a UX designer or any other field, and you are looking for a job, this make job search quite easy for you, and it also generates a CV for you. So let's change this to we're using Cloud Sonnet for this also. Open router. We are going to select the Cloud Sonnet 4.5 for this. So for this, I will be using it for this part, this to create CV. So I think we have created CV before with yeah, this is the enhanced resume. This resume are created by ChatGPT. So now we'll be using Claude for to generate a resume based on the job. So now let me delete all this. Now let's use Claude to generate. Yeah, I'm going to just execute this workflow once. Can you see? It's done. Now let's check our drive. So this is the resume generated since I'm running it once. So can you see? Okay. I think this is quite alright also. Well, I think it's better than the previous ones. Carry more information. Yeah. So this is quite alright. So, okay, thank you very much for watching this video. That's all about Claude Sonnet 4.5. I've explained what it is about, the changes, and use it in like two of our automation. So if you enjoy this video, kindly comment, subscribe, and like. Please subscribe. Thank you very much.